Welcome to Learner's Planet, Lesson 10, Prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun in the sentence with other words in the sentence. Students, understand the definition very clearly. A preposition is a word which shows the relationship between noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. A cup on the table, cup noun, on preposition, the table, the rest of the sentence. So the preposition on shows the relationship of the noun cup with the rest of the sentence on the table. The table. A cup on the table. Cup is a noun. The preposition on shows the relationship between cup, which is the noun, and the rest of the sentence, the table. Let us see some more examples. Pour tea in the cup. In is the preposition. In the sentence, pour tea in the cup. The cup is on the table. So the preposition is on. She is standing behind the table. Look where she is standing, behind the table. So behind becomes the preposition. Now students, let us do some prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are those prepositions which show the relationship between a noun and the rest of the sentence and answer the question where. Let us take one example. Money in the box. Where is the money? I am writing on the right hand side in the chat box. Where is the money? Read towards the right. Where is the money? Money in the box. So in becomes prepositions of place. Next, the hand is near the glove. Hand is near the glove. Where is the hand? So because near answers the question where, it becomes a preposition of place. The hand is near the glove. Next, the ball is under the table. Where is the ball? Under the table. Here is the ball which is under the table. So under becomes another preposition of place. Right, students? Next, in front of the door. This is the door. He is standing in front of the door. So where is he standing? In front of the door. In front of together becomes a preposition of place. Last one, behind the door. Where is he standing? Behind the door. The door is in front of him. So behind becomes a preposition of place. Let's revise all the prepositions of place. In, near, under, in front of, behind. Now students, prepositions of time. First, on. On Tuesday. See, on Thursday it is. On Tuesday, on becomes the preposition of time. What are prepositions of time? Those words which show the link between a noun and the rest of the sentence and answer the question when. Prepositions of time tell us when. When on Tuesday. When on 18th May. So this is the date. This means the preposition of time on gives us the day and the date. Students, I will write it for you on the board. Day and date. Another preposition of time is at. At shows the exact time, at 10:30 p.m. or 10:30 in the evening. The next preposition of time is in December. I will write this for you, students. At shows time, in shows months. Now, let me revise this with you. Prepositions of time are on, in and at. On shows day and date, at shows time, in shows month. Now students, let us know more about in. In is used for season, in winters, in summers. In is also used for month, in December like we did in the last slide, and lastly in shows year, in 2009. So students, in has three functions: season, month and year. In winters, in December, in 2009. Now students, let me show you some more prepositions. To. Whenever your finger points to something, take out your finger everyone, point it to something. So in that case students, you will use prepositions. To. Preposition to. When you point your finger to something, then you will use the preposition to. Let us read the example. I am going to school. I am going to school. So, because I know which place my finger points to, I will say I am going to school. Next, into. The mouse ran into the hole. Look at the mouse. Into preposition shows that the mouse has moved from one place to the other. So we will not say the mouse ran in the hole. He ran into the hole. Because if you point a finger, you can say to, and he is in the hole. But because the mouse ran, so he moved. The mouse moved, so the mouse ran into the hole. Students, we will look at the three prepositions again. In shows season, month, year. To shows pointing to, and into shows moving into something. The mouse ran into the hole. Now students, the next one is with. I am going with you. Mother is angry with me. With means together. I am going with you. The next one is among and between. Among shows that there are more than two people or nouns in the sentence. Between shows that there are only two nouns discussed in the sentence. Two nouns shown together. Let me explain it with the help of sentences. The first one, the puppy is coming between the two brothers. The two brothers means two. So with two, we will use the preposition between. But the three friends will share the chocolate among themselves. Three means more than two friends. So the three friends will share the chocolate we will use the preposition among themselves. Alright students, I will repeat this again. Among and between. Between shows two, among shows more than two. The puppy is coming between the two brothers. The three friends will share the chocolate among themselves. Now students, let us do some activities. Underline the correct preposition. The candle is on the cake, the candle is under the cake. Yes students, the candle is on the cake. It is touching the cake, not under the cake. So the correct answer is on. Students, where will the candle be when it is under the cake? If the candle is under the cake, then it will come over here. Can we put the candle under the cake? No. So the correct answer is the candle is on the cake. Now, next one. The thief was hiding behind, under the door, and police could not catch him. The thief was hiding. Where can he hide? Behind the door or under the door? The thief is so fat, he cannot come under the door. So he will come behind the door. So students, the correct preposition is behind. Next one. The plate is between or under the knife and fork. Fork, knife and plate. Where is the plate? Between or under? Yes, the plate is between the knife and fork. Next one. The eggs are on in the basket. Very nice picture. Students, I know you like the picture, but the eggs are on the basket, the eggs are in the basket. If you look carefully, the eggs are in the basket. They are not on the basket. If they were on the basket, then they would be, okay, let me draw an egg for you. They would be here, but they are not here. So they are in the basket. Now students, next line, fill in the blanks with words from the box. All the words in the box are prepositions. You have in, to, behind, on and at. And you have to fill 3 blanks. Let us do it. The man is sleeping dash the bed. In the bed, to the bed, behind the bed, on the bed, at the bed. The man cannot sleep in the bed. He cannot open the bed and go in it. The man is sleeping to the bed. No, he is not pointing a finger to the bed. No. Behind the bed. Where will he sleep if he goes behind the bed? The man is sleeping on the bed. He is on the bed. So the correct answer is, students, on the bed. Next. She is talking dash her friend. She is talking in her friend. She cannot go in her friend and talk. She is talking to her friend. Point your finger. Can you see the friend? Yes, she is talking to her friend. Before writing to, students, let me show you the other words. She is talking behind her friend. It does not make sense. She is talking on her friend. Can she get on the friend? Can she climb on her friend? No. So on is wrong. She is talking at her friend. No. It cannot be at. We are not talking about a time. We are talking about to. She is talking to her friend. Let me write this for you. She is talking to her friend. The last one. The program started -9 a.m. The program started in 9 a.m. No. For time we do not use in. To 9 a.m. No. Behind. How can we use behind for time? On 9 a.m. No. We use on for days and dates. The correct answer is the preposition at. The program started at 9 a.m. because at shows time. I'll write it for you, students. Let me revise this for you. The man is sleeping on the bed. She is talking to her friend. The program started at 9 a.m. Next, underline the prepositions. This is very interesting, students. Look at the picture. Before we start discussing the sentences, this is an apple tree. This is a basket, yellow basket having apples, red apples. Here is a parrot and here is a girl. Now let us read the sentences. There are many apples on the tree. Many apples on the tree. Underline the prepositions. Let me do it for you, students. The first preposition is on. There are many apples on the tree. The next sentence. The girl is standing in front of the apple tree. Here is the girl, here is the tree. The girl is standing in front of the apple tree. What is the preposition in this sentence? It is very easy, in front of. Third sentence. The parrot is flying over the apple tree. The parrot is flying over the apple tree. Let me mark the preposition for you. It is over. Next, some apples are inside the yellow basket. This is not a preposition, students. We will write another preposition. In the basket. So, some apples are in the basket. Let me quickly revise the prepositions for you. There are many apples on the tree. On. The girl is standing in front of the apple tree. In front of. The parrot is flying over the apple tree. Over. Some apples are in the yellow basket. In. Now, students, here is the next slide. The dog is sitting in front of the kennel. Underline the prepositions. Think about it, students. It is very easy. We have covered it in the last slide. Yes, the dog is sitting in front of. So the preposition is in front of the kennel. Next, the lake is near the road. This is the road and this is the lake. What is the preposition? The lake is near the road. The correct preposition is near. Next, underline the prepositions. The books are kept in the cupboard. The books are kept in the cupboard. What is the preposition? Yes, students, in. Here is the last one. The kitten is playing with a ball. The kitten is playing with a ball. Yes, students, what is the preposition? With. Now, students, I'll quickly revise all the sentences and the prepositions. The candle is on the cake. On. The thief was hiding behind the door and police could not catch him. So the correct preposition is behind. The plate is between the knife and the fork. Next, the eggs are in the basket. The man is sleeping on the bed. She is talking to her friend. The program started at 9 a.m. At shows the time. There are many apples on the tree. So the preposition is on. Apple on the tree. The girl is standing in front of the apple tree. She is standing in front of the apple tree. So the correct preposition is in front of. Next, the parrot is flying over the apple tree. So here is the parrot. It is flying over the apple tree. Some apples are in the yellow basket. So the preposition is in. The dog is sitting in front of the kennel. The lake is near the road. So near becomes a preposition. The books are kept in the cupboard. In is the preposition. The kitten is playing with a ball. With is the preposition. So students, in today's class we have learned the prepositions in, on, at, with, to, near, behind, in front of. Thank you.